Mastering Everyday English. Have the Sniffles demystified. Hello and welcome, dear language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a common but often misunderstood English phrase. Have the sniffles. Understanding such phrases not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you a glimpse into the cultural nuances of English speakers. So, let's unravel the mystery behind this phrase together. At first glance, have the sniffles might sound peculiar. It's a colloquial term that people use informally. Essentially, when someone says they have the sniffles, they mean they are experiencing a slight cold or some minor nasal congestion. It's not a serious condition but rather a mild and often brief bout of sneezing, sniffling, or a runny nose. It's important to note that this term is used to describe minor symptoms and is not associated with severe colds or flu. How do you use have the sniffles in everyday conversation? This phrase is handy when you want to inform someone about your mild cold symptoms without causing alarm. For instance, if you're sneezing a bit during a meeting, you might say, "Don't worry, I just have the sniffles." It assures others that you're not seriously ill but acknowledges your minor cold symptoms. Understanding the cultural context of have the sniffles is crucial. In English-speaking countries, especially in informal settings, people often use such phrases to downplay their discomfort. It reflects a cultural tendency to keep a positive front and not burden others with one's minor ailments. However, in professional or formal settings, it's always best to be clear and precise about one's health condition to avoid misunderstandings. Today, we've uncovered the layers behind the phrase, have the sniffles. It's more than just a quirky set of words. It's a window into the everyday life and cultural attitudes of English speakers. We hope this video clears up any confusion and adds a new and interesting phrase to your English repertoire. Until next time, keep exploring and enjoying the richness of the English language.